Hello everyone, this is my kinoTech device to track food we eat. Design brief. In 2050, people will be more healthier and more aware of their food allergies and intolerances. Newly developed inventions for food systems will become the new reality of our lives. So, how could design support allergies and intolerances in the future? So I start to do some primary and secondary research about food system, especially food allergies and intolerances. Then I found this old-fashioned muscle testing system, which is called kinesiology. Also 3 years ago, me and my family tried kinesiology to track the foods we eat. But what is kinesiology for food? Kinesiology testing claims to detect food allergies by studying your muscle responses. Basically, your muscle says which food you can or you can't have. That's why I want to take this old-fashioned system and transfer it to the future in a much easier way. First of all, I created ideas matrix for this. I came up with 4 different concepts. I decided to go with kinesiology one. The reason for that is I want to challenge myself more about this project. So I believe if I challenge myself, I'm going to learn much more things. So I start the development of the final design. I start to test all the technology, forms, materials for the sensor patch. Then I finalized with one of them. I wanted to test my products in the real life. That's why I created 2 different storyboards to show the real user testing. I also did a technology and CAD models testing for my design. I was thinking some device which has a screen, but then I started to remove the screen. I decided to use hologram technology for my final design. You will be able to control and see everything directly on your skin with the hologram technology. I didn't want to design something under our skins because it won't be accessible for everyone. Also, I did a detailed research about materials, parts, and technologies that I need to use it in my design. I also finalized which sensors that I'm gonna use it in my design. I answered 5W and 1H questions to describe my design much easily to the users. Here is the storyboard of the final design. She is one of our clients, Zainab. First of all, she is waking up. Good morning, Zainab. Then she is grabbing her personal kinoTech device and put it in her skin. After a while, she's starting to getting a bit hungry. That's why she is going to kitchen. Then she is grabbing the food that she wants to eat. But of course, she wants to be sure first. And kinoTech starts to test her muscles. Then it finalized that she can have this food for 67%. kinoTech device show hers exactly daily intakes for each foods, according to her muscle testings. At the end, she's having the exact amount of the food that kinoTech device set to her, and happily ever after. This is the final model of my design. Also, here is the final CAD models of the design. Also, I created a mood board to show all the materials and technologies that I'm gonna use it in my design. I finalized using thin sheet of stretchy polymers for the patch part. On the top of that, it's gonna be the sensors part. Sensors are printed on the patch using conductive ink. These sensors are gonna be EMG, biomarker, and some other technologies. Flexible PCB, microprocessor, lithium polymer battery, Bluetooth antenna, flexible plastic cover will be located on the conductive ink part. At the top, I finalized my design with a waterproof cover. And here is the GA drawing of the final design. Thanks for listening.